Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Merry Xmas to you all. In today's video I'll be making two different types of Nigerian soup, which are cocoyam soup, which is also known as ede soup in my language, draw soup, which is also known as Ogbono soup, and vegetable soup. I will start by seasoning our beef. This is how you can actually process your cocoyam paste. Make sure you wash your cocoyam very well before cooking. If you are using pressure pot, cook the cocoyam for 6 to 8 minutes. After cooking the cocoyam, allow it to cook for a while, then peel off the back. Add small water before blending. Make sure you blend the cocoyam very well. This is what our cocoyam paste look like after blending it. As you can see, it's very smooth. Repeat the same process with the remaining cocoyam. I will start by cleaning the dried fish I'll be using for my today's recipe. I like using this type of dried fish because it gives my soup this unique taste. Guys, if you are using this type of dried fish, make sure you clean it very well because this fish has so much bone in it. now I'll be adding my stock fish in the both pots for my soup. Next, I'll be adding my well cleaned and cooked cow skin. These are the leaves I'll be using for my vegetable soup for my today's recipe. I'll be using dark nightshade leaves and baby spinach leaves. But if you are in Nigeria where you can get ugu leaf, water leaf and other vegetables that we use back home for our vegetable soup, it will be much better. I'm only using this type of vegetable because I'm not able to get ugu leaves and others that we use back home. But anyway, you can also try this. It's very nice for vegetable soup. One more thing guys, if you are using these black nightshade leaves, make sure you cook it for a minute to remove the water from it, because these leaves have this small bitter taste in it. And also for your baby spinach leaf, make sure you cook it for like 2 minutes or less than that, because spinach contains too much water. If you add it in your vegetable soup without removing the excess water, your soup will not turn out nice. Next, I'll be adding my red oil for the soup. Make sure you allow it to cook for 5 to 6 minutes before adding your other ingredients for the soup. Next, I'll be adding my cocoyam paste. After adding it, allow it to cook for 6 minutes. Next, I'll be blending my pepper for my vegetable soup. Right now, I'll be adding my pepper mix. This pepper mix contains uziza seed, crayfish, and other local ingredients for cocoyam soup. After that, I will add my fresh bitter leaf. After adding the fresh bitter leaf, I'll add Maggi spice for taste, and also salt if there is the need for that. Then after that, I will allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Then our cocoyam soup is ready, guys. cocoyam soup is done, I'll continue by finishing the remaining two soups, which are vegetable soup and broth soup. I'll be adding a fresh fish, dried fish in the both soup. After that, I will add my pepper mix in my red oil for my vegetable soup. Now I'll be adding my local ingredients for the vegetable soup. After that, I will add Maggi spice for taste. I start by adding salt for taste. Give it a quick stir. Then I will add my well cooked and well cleaned fresh fish. After adding that, I will add our meat stock. Mix properly. Next, I will add my blended ogbono powder in our ogbono pot of soup. Then next is the vegetable in our vegetable pot of soup. Give it a quick stir. Then add the remaining vegetable, and our vegetable soup is ready. Since our vegetable is already cooked, you don't need to cook it much again. Just allow it to cook for a minute or even less than that. Then our vegetable soup is ready to be served. Next, I will add Maggi spices in our ogbono pot of soup. Add our mixed pepper spice. Allow it to cook for a while. Then I will add my fresh bitter leaf. In this soup, you can also use ugu leaf or any leaf of your choice for this ogbono soup recipe. Allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes at least. Then our ogbono soup is ready. Guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.